Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about some of the airdrops on the zkSync Era network, and I think the airdrop season on the zkSync Era network is coming soon. So apart from zk's token, there would be other airdrops as well on the zkSync Era network. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button, as it really helps my channel grow. So there have been decent airdrops in the past on the zkSync Era network, and most of these airdrops were done to NFT holders. Now there are some blue chip NFT collection on the zkSync Era network, like there is zk Pengs, then there is U, then there is zk Veggies, and now there are new collections like, for example, V Bears. And I think in the future there would be potential airdrops for uh, the people that are holding Libertas Omnibus NFT collections, because there is something called as a lock drop, and they have a direct tie-up with someone. Now, apart from the blue chip collections that I have mentioned, there is also another blue chip collection called as Moody Mites. Then there are some old collections like ZK Skulls, and there are a lot of them, to be honest. So most of these NFT holders have received airdrops in the past. For example, recently there was a airdrop of zkWIF hat. Now I think this was being airdropped to the Zik holders, Meow holders, Zoro holders, and Elmao meme holders. Now this token has been doing a pretty decent job, to be honest. I have purchased few additional Zik coins, and hopefully this turns out to be at least 100 million market cap in the future. Now, although it was a very small airdrop, I am holding a U NFT collection. So I received like around 6,400 of this. So which was like only around $4 to $5 worth of airdrop, but I purchased like another $50 worth of zkWIF hat token. Now the thing with these airdrops is, like, at the start these airdrops would be pretty small, like, because the initial market cap would be pretty small, like 100k, 150k, 200k would be the initial market cap. But in the future, maybe if this airdrops rise in price, then we can see a decent appreciation. Now the next airdrop that was done was like Beanie. Now this was one of the oldest airdrop that was done. Around 14% was being airdropped to ZK Veggies NFT holders, and this is a decent airdrop, to be honest, because I think it's sitting around 500 600k market cap as of now. So if we just go, yeah, it's 500k. Although, like, there have been a huge pullback over here, where it had exceeded around 1.1 million market cap, if I remember correctly. But still, I mean, the meme season on the zkSync Era is not dead. Instead, it's just going to start, and hopefully we see all the meme coins pumping on the zkSync Era network. Now then, there was something called as a Ven that was airdrop. Now this is a recent airdrop. It has been just done yesterday. So I received like 50,000 Ven tokens. Now this token was being airdropped to a lot of NFT holders. Like, there was ZK Pengs, there was ZK Veggies, there was I think, if I remember correctly, Zix NFT was there, Moody Mites was there, then ZK Skulls was there. There are a lot of them. And finally, I think there would be more airdrops that would be coming, which would be a decent airdrop for the NFT holders. And alternatively, there is something called as a hold station. Now hold station has been doing a pretty decent job in doing an airdrop for for the zkSync Era community, and those who are holding and staking hold station tokens. So exactly, I will show you how you can go ahead and do it. So all you have to do is, you will need to go ahead and go on hold station and launch their app. Now once you launch their app, all you have to do is, basically, if you stake like more than 100 of hold station tokens, then you would be eligible for daily chest. And if you hold like more than 30 hold station tokens in your wallet, you would be getting another airdrop chest. So once you open this chest, you have the chance of actually getting Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other airdrops on the zkSync Era network. Now please note that there is an unbounding period of around 5 epochs. So if you want to go ahead and unstake your hold station tokens. Now, apart from staking rewards, and holding rewards of hold station, you also get the chance to actually go ahead and participate in the launchpad. So this launchpad are decent because we have seen a recent launchpad which was a AI token, and it went like, I think, more than 100x, I think so, 50x to 100x. So that was a decent launchpad, and also it's been currently airdrop to the hold station chest. And I personally feel that the airdrop season is just starting, and after the zks airdrop there would be a lot of liquidity that would be flowing on the zkSync era network, and we can see all the airdrop tokens, meme tokens, all the NFT collections to like shoot up drastically. So this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.